Hi! In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 7, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction settings. Firstly, you need to open Settings and scroll all the way down to access System. Now click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Revert. Lastly, tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all text correction settings are available over here. If you wish to switch on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!